Now looking at the sixth video on limits, and it's evaluating of limits, direct substitution. Just that this time around we're not necessarily following the method, but it's kind of incorporated since it's algebraic manipulation we have. And now the question is, what is limit as x approaches 5 from the right of a function a of x times the function b of x plus the function c of x over d of x if limit as the function a of x is approaching 2 as x is approaching 5 from the right, b of x is approaching 5 as x is approaching 5 from the right, c of x approaching 6, 5 is approaching 5 from the right, and d of x approaching 3 as x is approaching 5 from the right. Now here we're going to simply use the laws we discussed in our third video, I guess. So now what we do, you see to say these are all functions of x and they are multiplying. That's going to use the product rule of limits, where limit as x approaches 5 from the right will be distributed to this, and then you multiply the same limit distributed to that, then you add limit to this one over limit to that one. So with this we're simply using three properties. The first one is the product one, the sum, and the one for the quotient. So now let's get into it. So now say limit for this one as x is approaching 5 from the right of a of x, then I multiply with limit as x is approaching 5 from the right of b of x, then I'll add limit as x approaches 5 of c of x, then I'll divide limit as x approaches 5 of d of x. Now we're given what this one is, it is 2, so we substitute here, then we multiply, this one is simply 5, we add, this one is 6, then over this one is 3, and 2 times 5 is giving us 10, plus 6 over 3 is giving us 2, 10 plus 2 gives us 12, and we are done.